winners for the 12 to 13 years old newbie categories, we have for bronze, Jillian Luneta from KSDA and Chelsea Lozada from Team KSDA. Silver, we have Kathy Kilasa from Team KSK, and for gold, we have Jaime Ojimi Kabangan from Team Aquino.
Punta ka. Kasi.
Also winners for the